Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely little 108 in the active specification. So this car is not only free to tax, but it's also done less than 8,000 miles. It comes with a touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, but on top of this you also get air conditioning and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.